Hey guys, it's Allison, and today is going to be another day of my life as a stay-at-home mom. And now my baby is 5 months old, which is super duper crazy. Time has flown by. Hi, my love. He's smiling at me right now. But we're going to get started. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So I was literally so deep into my dreams right now, and she started moving around and making noises, and I wake up and she's just literally staring at me. And she loves just like talking in the mornings to wake me up, and that's how I literally wake up, when she wakes up before me. And yeah, and then she just stares me down. That's what she's doing right now, and she's smiling. She loves smiling. She's such a happy baby. I'm gonna change her diaper, and then I'm gonna use the bathroom, brush my teeth, get her bottle, and we'll get the day started. Oh yes, and by the way, like the last video, I woke up like at 5 a.m. or something like that. Some crazy time right now. It is 7 o'clock, as you can see. So she has been sleeping more. I try to get her to bed before 10 o'clock, and then so she ends up waking up around 7 now, and she still sleeps in her bassinet right next to me. So yeah, look at her cute little outfit. I love this. I feel like it's like a going out sleeper, but then at the same time like a regular sleeper, but it's so adorable. And look, her legs are popping out, her chunky legs. I just put the bottle in this machine. I got a water warmer, and I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, and then she drinks 5 ounces now. So. Like usual, gonna spin the milk. We are not shaking it, and I'm gonna feed her. Good morning to everyone. Wanna say good morning? Yeah, she has lost hair since the last video on her back. Let's get on to feeding her. She is very antsy. In the kitchen now. I don't know what to eat, so I think we're gonna make the instant oatmeal. This is the maple and brown sugar flavor, and just call it a day because this is quick and easy. Honestly, I was gonna say honestly, before the oatmeal finishes, I'm gonna put the bottles together because last night I cleaned your bottles. So we're just gonna put that together, even though the microwave just rang. That's gonna have to stay in there. Yeah, she is still using the Nook bottles. It's just what worked for her. She's onto the 9-ounce bottle, and she's drinking 5 at the moment. So yeah, and I'm getting packages today, so I'm gonna unbox that obviously in the video. Stop. I'd be saying I'm gonna stop, and then I figure out something else to buy. Luckily, got money saved. Because yeah, usually I'm a saver, not a spender. I think I'm gonna order something on Uber Eats today because I don't really have anything here to eat. I'm really in the mood for like this Asian place that my sister-in-law tried, but yeah, I don't know. I really want like a good bubble tea and a good like Asian meal. So yeah, I don't know. This doesn't really usually take me this long. I think I'm just taking my time since I'm talking to you guys. She usually drinks about 5 to 6 times a day, usually 5. Yeah, I'm gonna bring these bottles up, come back down for my oatmeal. And I'm gonna show you guys how my oatmeal looks, my instant oatmeal, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get back upstairs. So my oatmeal don't look appetizing, so I'm not gonna show you guys. And you guys saw me eating it on the floor. And the other day, for the first time, her first food was avocado, right? It was avocado and you didn't like it. She was making some weird faces even before it was put in her mouth. So I think today we're gonna try sweet potato. I'm not sure. Sweet potato! But yeah, she's been trying to grab my food recently, been watching me eat my food. Those are like some signs that they're ready to eat. And yeah, so when she turned 5 months, I gave her avocado and that did not work out. So we'll probably try that with something else, like a mixture of something. Been sitting up. She's halfway there. She needs assistance a little bit, but other than that, she's fine. She rolled over from her back to her stomach, right? The other day. She's just looking at me and smiling with a little smiley face. She's been doing all her little milestones, right? Yeah, very smart girl. She's so adorable. But yeah, so right now she's watching Bluey. I put it on mute real quick so I could talk to you guys. But yeah, so she's just gonna be doing like independent play, watching TV and stuff like that while I eat and fold some clothes. So yeah. Just finished up my laundry, folded everything. That looks crazy, but yeah, I gotta put it away. 2 packages already came. We're gonna open it when all the packages come. The baby is down for a nap now, so let's see how long she goes to sleep for. And then when she wakes up, do the whole routine again, change her diaper, feed her, burp her, and then we'll probably walk to the supermarket to go get some stuff. But yeah, let's see what happens. Tell me how she did not even take a 30-minute nap. She took like a 15-20-minute nap. Maybe she heard me like fussing around in the room because I was like organizing and stuff. But she's just smiling at me. Hey, yeah, baby. I was only gone for 20 minutes and I am beat. We took the long way basically because like there's not a crosswalk where the supermarket and the road that I live on. So I had to go all the way around because I'm with the baby, obviously. If it was just me, I would have ran across that street. I got hungry. I don't know if you hear my stomach grumbling, but made myself a grilled cheese. So I'm just gonna enjoy this. So the baby ate again. We are watching Young Sheldon at the moment. Waiting for my Amazon package to come and then I'll do the little haul. I want to read a little bit, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. Cheese. Can you say hi? Can you say hi to YouTube? With your hand? Say hi. So all my packages have arrived. So I'm gonna show you guys this first package in here. It's jewelry from Mint and Lily. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, the ad, but I've seen the ad on TikTok and on Instagram, and it just keeps popping up. You know how Instagram be with the ads. So I was like, let me try it out, and they had like a discount or something. So this is my literal reaction to the jewelry, because I've never ordered from this company before, and I ordered some cute pieces, so hopefully it's the pieces that I ordered. Oh, this is so pretty how they packaged it. This is Mint and Lily, and then they each come in their own like little dust bag. So let's see what's in this first one. So it comes with a little dust rag, cleaning rag. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. A mother of pearl heart, and then I have another heart next to it, and it has an A in it. And the chain, I love the chain. I think it's called a Cuban link. I should know jewelry by now. My mom loves jewelry. We got another box, another dust rag. This time it came in this little pouch. It has my baby's name on it. That's so beautiful. I'm in love. Low-key, you know how like when you order packages and then like the next day be coming or like whatever, and then you'll be like, I forgot what I ordered. That, yeah, that's literally me. Yeah. And here's another little dust bag. My ring is in it. It says my name on it. I got one with her name on it and one with my name on it, and I'm gonna like interchange them and wear them. Oh my goodness, you guys. I don't know. Do you see that? This is Allison Teresa. That is so beautiful. Okay, it fits on my middle finger. It's so beautiful. I have a last one. Oh my goodness. This is a white and blue beaded flower bracelet, and it says mama on it. Oh my goodness. These look just like the picture. I am impressed, you guys. So beautiful. Amazon package. These are some accessories that I got for what the next that I'm going to show you guys. I got Bible tabs. They came broken, so I hope everything's in it. I got a new Bible. I'm going to show you guys. It's in the next box. See-through ones, like clear ones. And then I got black pens from Mr. Pen. And then I got these colorful pens from Mr. Pen as well. And also, yesterday I received this, and it's like a sticky note set. It has different sticky notes in here. Here is the Bible in here. This is the Jesus Bible. And I think we've talked about different Bibles that I've bought in my Bible journey. My sister has bought me a Bible. That's my first Bible that I got. Then I bought myself a Bible. Then I got another one, the Woman's Bible. And then I just got this one. I gotta get back into reading the Bible, so I thought this would be a little inspiration to start it again. These all go hand in hand with each other. There's everything in my haul. So let's just keep going with the vlog. The baby's just been looking at me do this little haul part.
You clean your rooms. Oh, come on, how bad can it be?
This is my little setup right now. I just have the Bible open on Genesis because that's where we obviously start, and I just got all the Bible tabs there. I don't know why it didn't come like the regular tabs, you know, when they come on the paper and then you strip it down and like they have the alignment thing, but I was just figuring out how many tabs I could put, you know, I don't know. You guys understand. But yeah, I'm just gonna be playing some worship music and yeah, and just putting the tabs into the Bible. I'll probably check in with you guys like halfway throughout the Bible, but yeah. Been about 40 minutes and I'm on Ezekiel. I only went through this many so far, and I still got this left. I got these, and then I got the New Testament on this side, so it's taking a while. So the baby woke up. She took a whole nap while I was doing this, but yeah. It's almost time for her to eat again. Really finished. And they're not all even, but they're never even for me. So this is pretty good job, what I did. Can't wait. She's on the floor right now playing on her mat, practicing to roll. She's about to roll. But yeah, about to roll. We're just playing with a toy, and yeah. And then soon I'm gonna feed her. She's just waiting it out for maybe another 10-15 minutes. So I just took a shower. The baby took a bath as well. So we're both chilling, and I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's 6:30. So I'm gonna quickly go downstairs and do the sweet potatoes for her so she can try them. And yeah, so excited.